Hi guys, today we will work on iPhone 6 battery change. This is the one. So it's so easy to change the iPhone battery. It's yeah. There's a two screw right here. One. Sorry. Hold on a minute. Yeah. Yes, there is a two screw, one here and the other one here. Yeah, I took the screw before the recording, so you will take it all two screws out and put the safe place to put it back. And after that, what are you gonna do? This is the tool that we're gonna use, both tool come with the battery when you buy it on eBay, and they send you these tools and that you will use it. And first we're gonna use this one. Just go under sidewise and right here, see, it's open, and then go slowly and surely. Yeah, it's, yes, as you see, it's coming out. Let me see. Okay, here. Then you just open the home button, not the other side. Just pull it from the home button, slowly and gentle. Yeah, as you see, there's this is the battery connection place. Just with the plastic, just touch it, so it comes up, as you see. Then, of course, before taking the battery out, there is a glue underneath. I put this phone under the sun maybe a couple of hours, that the heats lose the glue, and then after easily with this tool or something else, yeah, you can easily this side, you can take it out, but make sure that it's loose. Yeah, as you see, there is a glue on underneath. Yeah. So after that, here you are, the new battery is same and same size. Just put it the inside, and this is the one. Right there. Just push it. As you see, it's gone inside. So simple, so easy. I mean, then this side slowly push it inside of this hole. Yeah. Oh, it's so simple. Then push it. Yeah. Yeah. Like this. There you are. That's easy to change the iPhone 6 battery. Then put it under the sun a little bit, that the glue under the battery, it loose again, and it's glue each other, the battery. So that's it. All this is all about how to change the iPhone 6 battery change. Yeah. Enjoy, guys, this video, and see you soon.